Today we have a refreshing treat in store for you. We'll be diving into the art of making the perfect cucumber sandwiches. Step 1. Gather the ingredients. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. For this simple yet elegant recipe, you'll need fresh cucumbers, softened cream cheese, finely chopped dill, slices of your favorite bread, butter, salt, and pepper to taste. Step 2. Prepare the cucumbers. Now, let's prep our star ingredient. Wash your cucumbers thoroughly, and then thinly slice them. If you prefer, you can peel the cucumbers for a smoother texture. Step 3. Season the cream cheese. Next, in a bowl, combine the softened cream cheese with a generous amount of finely chopped dill. This combination adds a burst of flavor that complements the crispiness of the cucumbers perfectly. Step 4. Spread butter on bread slices. Now, take your favorite bread slices and spread a thin layer of butter on each. This not only enhances the taste but also creates a barrier to keep the bread from getting soggy. Step 5. Assemble the sandwiches. It's assembly time. On one side of the buttered bread, spread a generous amount of the dill-infused cream cheese. Then layer on the freshly sliced cucumbers. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Step 6. Close and cut. Place another buttered bread slice on top to complete the sandwich. Press gently, and now you can cut it into delightful bite-sized pieces or leave it as a whole for a classic presentation. And there you have it, the perfect cucumber sandwiches. Whether it's for a tea party, brunch, or a light snack, these sandwiches are sure to impress. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our delightful recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!